Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Moore from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for August 9th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Another extremely quiet day. The Dow finished higher, just under 4 points or so. Very quiet. I mean, look, if things have been, we've seen low volume. We've seen a lot of small range candles, a lot of doji type indecision type candles. Still, though, the path of least resistance is to the upside. We still have momentum across the board on the index charts, and so we have to go with what we see. The S&P 500 up 0.85 today. Again, another sign of how quiet this has been, but these markets have been resilient, no question. The Nasdaq putting in a fresh new high here, up at 48.07 today. Pulled back by the end of the session, but certainly put in a fresh new high. And this has been one of the better performers. Momentum still completely intact on the Nasdaq. The Russell also up a couple of points. Bonds recovering nicely, up almost 1.5 points, while gold was up about 4 points today, and crude finished lower by 26 cents or so, and it really does look like it is about to fail the retest of that moving average. And if it does, as we mentioned yesterday, 39 or so being the first target, then 35, and then eventually this $26 target. Now, Disney came out with earnings after the close today. They beat on both per share and revenue amounts slightly, but they came in at 162 versus 161 a share. After hours, I saw it down as much as $1.50 or so. I think it's trading down about $1 or so right now, so I don't think that's going to have a major impact on the opening tomorrow. Another one, though, to have a look at is CMG. Saw a headline on CMG and wanted to share this with you. Whenever you see this type of headline, it kind of shows how desperate a company is. As you know, Chipotle has had a lot of issues in their restaurants this past year, and the share price has literally been cut in half since we started the year here. Now it's sitting right around the 395 range, where we were up over 750 early in the year. And I saw a headline today that they're offering half price and 2-for-1 beers for the dinner crowd, trying to bring back some customers. This chart looks very bearish to me, no matter what time frame you look at very negative momentum. This looks like we are going to see lower prices here. On the monthly, it's absolutely in a free fall. So now it is sort of back to a level of some support here. I think it may actually just break through without even pulling back here. But even if it does pull back, I think it'll be here. Let me draw this in for you. I think we'd be looking at a pullback somewhere into the 500 range max before completely falling apart here some more. I think one thing we can't overlook is the negative momentum, no matter what time frame you're looking at. Very, very bearish here. And I think CMG is still in tough here and is going to have to do a lot of work to recover. So more news on tap tomorrow. The JOLTS report, which is another employment type report, and the MBA mortgage apps numbers due out early tomorrow morning. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.